Ken Bolito.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Can I open my eyes?
You can open your eyes.
What? Here, I'll do you a solid.
There's a tab there. You should pull the tab.
Wait. Oh no. Great. 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 I already hate it. Oh, it's balloons! Oh, it's balloons! Oh, I thought it was something else.
I'm not used to throwing items. This is very strange. I'm gonna throw them from over here.
What is this? Dima! Wait, more? Wait, stop burning all your wait, are you throwing literally everything to me right now? Wait, what? Wait. Hold on, one at a time. Dude, have you ever seen Mystery Tech before? What? Let's see, what do we got here? These look like gloves, but I'm going to just guess that they are not ordinary gloves. Okay, what the? These are shiny. Wait, knowing you guys, because we did this once before. Do they light up? Are they supposed to light up?
They are.
You would think that it would be intuitive enough to have a power button somewhere apparently obvious. Look at that. The button is where your inner ankle would be. Inner ankle? Is it your?
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, turn on. It's red. Wait, can I change the color?
I have no idea.
Red. So you just have red and flashing red. That's handy. So continuing the trend, we have these shining glasses.
Yeah, it's looking awfully dangerous right there.
These look very awful. I'm in the future, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, why is the nose bridge completely hard plastic?
Whoa, is that Daft Punk?
Around the world, around the world, around the world, around the world.
Have you heard that song?
Yeah, I'm not really good at being on pitch or tone or key, whatever the music
Or
kids call it.
talking. All right, what is this? What can this be? It's a hooded thing. Oh my God, it's Kiryu Coco. Who? So what you're basically making me do is wear a VTuber thing over my other VTuber thing.
Yes.
Crappiest T-pose I've ever seen.
This is like if someone told me what people wear at a rave, and I just, but I was blind, and I just bought everything. That's what this is.
Oh, this is so worth it. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I look like every one of ASUS's products. Republic of Gamers.
Well, I'd like to formally apologize to ASUS for Ken's comments. I do not condone them in any way whatsoever.
Hi, my name is Ken Strix Bolito. How's it going? God, what am I doing?
So Ken, I think it's actually time for Mystery Tech now that you have your wardrobe.
Wait, that wasn't Mystery Tech?
No, that was just your wardrobe.
I'll keep the. Oh wait, no, I can't. Ah! Austin actually bought tech for Mystery Tech.
Yeah, I know. Pretty novel concept, huh?
It is a novel concept. I wish I learned it. Okay, so Austin got me an A1 headphone adapter, which is a USB-C DAC. Literally know nothing about this.
So I can tell you, it is very highly reviewed on Amazon as like the best step up from like the headphone adapter that comes in the box for you.
The MDR ZX110, of course. Powerful, high-quality sound. Sure, let me take a look at this DAC first. That's a really excessive box for what is a normal size looking dongle. It passed all of its reports. Pass, no fails. Must be good.
That did better than you in school.
I mean, I went to art school, so it didn't really matter. You went to art school too. Matt was my professor. Fun fact.
And look where you both ended up.
Well, I was gonna say like, I'm upper management for Matt, so look at where we.
Wow!
Sometimes your professors just end up being your subordinates. Sometimes life just works out like that. I don't know. As expected of these plastic Sony cans, they feel very lightweight, they feel very plasticky, but honestly, I feel like that's what some people want because you're gonna be using this when you're running, you're gonna be using this on the train. Sometimes not everyone wants to wear expensive headphones out for whatever reason that might be, But these should actually sound pretty decent. I believe I've used a version of these before. Like, these have been around for quite a while.
I can definitely confirm I used to use a pair of these headphones. These are a classic.
The volume is pretty loud, even at around like 80%. I probably wouldn't jack it up higher than that. So there's a lot of headroom with this DAC for these headphones, which is really nice to see. It sounds fantastic. What I really like about these Sony headphones, especially for a lot of Sony headphones in this price range, is the bass response. So it's not incredibly boomy, but there is a lot of bass detail there. But it doesn't compromise the mids and highs as much as I thought it would. Like, the treble actually sounds pretty good. The vocals come out really well on this. This is a very well-rounded pair for, you said less than 20 bucks, right?
The DAC was $15, and those headphones are only $9.99.
Are you serious? These headphones are 10 bucks?
Yep.
Holy crap.
So $25 for the pair of those.
This is a really good set. Holy crap.
So Ken, are you trying to say that when I incorporate tech and mystery tech, I do a good job?
I would hope so. The expectation is that you know about this stuff, not me.
I'm also glad you like those headphones. It means we can return the next item.
You almost hit the Z Flip.
Good catch.
Now, if you're wondering how Austin is paying for all this mystery tech stuff, it is thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Mint Mobile, who has been working to slash phone bills down to $15 a month since 2016 by cutting out the in-store retail experience, putting it all online, and passing on the savings to you. I think that was a pretty good sales pitch.
Very impressive. Very impressive.
Try my best. Try my best. Now, you might have heard of Mint Mobile from a thing that happened last year, but they're days away now from launching a brand new plan that is unlimited talk, text, and data for $30 a month.
Wait, how much is it?
30 bucks, Austin.
30 bucks!
30 bucks, which is less than half what the big carriers charge. And on top of that, you get the same reliability. With that, you get 35 gigs of high-speed data, which you can access on 4G or 5G, depending on which one's stronger. And in addition, if you have other devices, you have 5 gigs of mobile hotspot included. I've really been liking the speed and reliability of Mint Mobile, so if that's got you curious, definitely go check out the link in the description or go to mintmobile.com/Austin. And huge thanks to them for sponsoring Mystery Tech. What is in here? I already know! I already know! I see it peeking! This is the Sony 1000X Mark IV active noise canceling headphones.
So the question is, do they sound better than the $10 pair of headphones?
Probably.
I think so.
So, I will say, probably something I shouldn't say about my present from Austin Evans and Company, but I think I'll actually like the older ones more.
What?
This is saying them before even trying them, but let me explain. One of the main reasons why I think I will like the 1000X Mark IIIs more is just because of compatibility. So on the Bluetooth side, this does have LDAC compatibility, which is a Bluetooth codec that's supported on Android and a bunch of Sony products. But the Mark IIIs were compatible with aptX, which is very important if you want to use it on a PC, because otherwise you're kind of stuck with very low-end codecs. And I tend to use my Bluetooth headphones on my PC. So these probably won't work, though I'll have to try them to make sure, though I don't think I have a PC here to try them. But
try them with your
we'll see.
Z Flip.
I will try them on my Z Flip because at the very least that has LDAC compatibility. Oh wow, already the active noise cancellation is heavy on these. Wow, I can barely hear my own voice. Holy crap. These Sony ANC headphones, always really bassy, I love it. Ooh, it's just the noise cancellation is so aggressive. Again, I can't hear myself talk, which is a very, I don't even know what to think about that, actually.
Oh, believe me, we can
it's
hear you
very
talk.
weird. Play a song that you like.
Yeah.
Just type something in. Test. Austin. Yeah. It's low. It's really low.
Like, you can barely hear what people are saying around you. You can almost kind of tell they're talking, but you really can't hear them.
It's
Like,
enough.
it's very oppressive. It's like, yeah, your head's like in a vacuum.
It's enough to zone yourself in. You can still hear a little bit around you, but that is the most aggressive that I've heard any wireless headphones for noise cancellation. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. What is this? All right, so this is the Robotosaur. He looks very derpy.
Why is he like in an autoerotic asphyxiation mask? Wait, just flip him over. He's gonna have brain damage.
It's okay. He looks like he has brain damage
He
already.
does already look like he
I don't think that would have added or detracted anything. There we go.
Wow. That looks stupid.
He looks.
He looks really dumb.
Why are his arms so long?
3. You want to do something about this? Oh, come on, yeah, go.
Whoa.
That way. Not even mad. Not even mad. Oh my god. Why? Why? All right, well, back in the pen. All right, what did Austin Evans get me? What the hell is this? The Bob Ross Toaster. I like how Mystery Tech has just become both toy dinosaurs and toasters.
Happy little trees, Ken. Happy little trees.
Oh, Wes is here with the fire extinguisher.
The Amazon reviews weren't all positive, so
That's better safe than sorry, right? Oh, Austin just threw some bread. It's okay. This is very shitty at holding bread. When your bread doesn't fit in the toaster.
I mean, that is artisanal bread. Like, it's high quality bread.
It's not that high quality. It's good. This is actually the
Excuse
brand that I
me.
buy.
Artisanal, get that bread, is not
It's
low quality bread.
It's artisano, not artisano, you dumbasses. It's artisano. All right. Let's get that bread. Okay. So my main problem with this toaster is that, you know when toast is done and it's just supposed to, right?
The thing that scares Austin.
The thing that scares Austin every morning, yeah. It didn't do that, which means I'm gonna have to either hand fist this, which I'm not gonna do because I like my fingers. By the way, in this drawer
Are those-
where we hide all of our important things to do videos like screwdrivers and iFixit kits and whatnot. We also have our Naruto kunais.
I mean,
I was really hoping not to have those out this time, but
We're good. My legs are intact. I didn't stab myself. This one is,
oh, Ken.
those aren't chopsticks.
Oh.
there you go. Bob Ross, ladies and gentlemen. Bob Ross!
Can we try toasting one more piece of bread?
Why?
A higher temperature.
Yes, please. Not 0.
It did not go down anymore. This is the shittiest toaster I've ever seen. See some smoke?
that's making me mad nervous.
It is actually, I think it'll actually combust and light on fire. That is a lot of smoke.
That does look a little suspicious, because that doesn't look like the nice like steam that looks like actual fire.
No, it's fine. I'm monitoring it. If it catches on fire, I'll let you know. Okay, actually, that is burning the bread. Just gonna.
Oh, it popped up!
Perfect timing. Look at that! It actually looks like Bob Ross. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have you versus the one she tells you not to worry about.
Is anyone worried about him though?
Something's coming up behind me, isn't it?
No. Happy birthday, Ken!
Wow. Enjoy cleaning this up, Matt. Wait, there's another thing? What is even up there on the ceiling? There's a bucket and another. Oh, there's more bucket stuff. Oh, I see. He just has to keep doing it and undoing it until more fall down. Okay. That's a lot. I know this is the end of Mystery Tech because this ruins all of our continuity. in the edit. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Mystery Tech. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked me being on Mystery Tech instead of Austin, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, check out our secondary channel, This Is, where Matt does something unless Austin's on camera, because he's usually on camera more than Matt nowadays, which is kind of sad. Give Matt all the love and support. He deserves it. And otherwise, thanks for watching. He does.